Hello, this is Chris with Elevations. This is going to be an unboxing, or rather an unbagging, because these just came in a simple static-free bag. These are 10 sonar sensors. This is the HC-SR04. You can find the affiliate link down below in the description. As I've said many times before, the affiliate link does not affect your price. However, it does help us get some extra funds off of these videos. So as I mentioned, this is not really an unboxing, more of an unbagging. We ordered these just right off of Amazon, like the affiliate link below shows, and as opposed to coming in a box themselves, they just came in a static-free bag inside of an Amazon box. What's nice about these is it's supposed to have a total of 10 sonar sensors in them, as well as some mounting gear and some cabling. So let's go ahead and open this up. Pull everything out right here. And the image did show a mounting hardware. It looks like there is only one in there, and that is everything that's in the bag here. So even though there are 10 sonar sensors, there's only one mount in the bag. First thing off the bat I'll notice is right here, this pin. I'll bring this up closer to the camera. That pin is bent. So that's certainly an issue right out of the bag. I can imagine just because it's not in a separate box, maybe it bounced around or got smashed at the warehouse. Should be easy enough to fix that. Not the ideal situation for something brand new though. So if I pull that with the pliers there, so now it's straightened back up. But like I said, definitely not ideal coming straight out of the warehouse like that. I do enjoy these. We've worked on these with some other robots before. I have a pack of 10 for the projects we have coming up, so I wanted to go ahead and just get more of them. This one's looking good. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here is 10 hiding in the cable. It looks like some of the other pins are slightly bent, but not too bad. Like this one is deviated off the side just a touch. And again, I know I had mentioned that before, but this is the HC-SR04. It indicates right here on the board. I do also see a T and an R. I expect this to be a transmit on this side and receive on this side. So the way this thing actually senses distance is it transmits out that sonar signal, and then depending on how long it takes for it to be received, that calculation is then distance. If something's farther away, it's going to take longer for the signal to bounce back. If it's closer, it'll bounce back pretty quickly. So it's just a timing difference. So you have your VCC input, your ground, your trigger, and your echo. We'll go over some more on how to set this up within Python programming on another video. But as far as the packages for the unboxing, let's go ahead and open up this bag here as well. So this is a pretty solid clear plastic mount, and this is supposed to be, as I recall, directly fit. It doesn't fit very well. Let's try it this way. Yeah, it does not fit very well into that mount here. Let's try a different one. Although since there is only one, more than likely we're going to have to 3D print some other ones or find a different mounting method. So either I'm doing this wrong, or it just simply does not fit in this mount the way it's intended. Granted, I didn't buy it for the mount. I bought it for the sensors themselves, but I find this to be rather interesting. You can try just about every method this way. It fits in a little bit this way, but not quite all the way. See, this one goes in there. This one's not quite the same. From the looks of it, and I'll grab a screwdriver here, this one of them will fit in well enough, and the other one is just outside to the side here too far, so you can see a little bit of a gap right here. I'll bring this closer in so you can see a little bit of gap on this side where that sonar just does not quite fit in there all the way. That is interesting. I'd be happy to receive a replacement if the manufacturer is interested in fixing that problem, and we'll update that in another video. So here are the mounting screws for that mount then. So I've got 2 nuts and 2 bolts that comes with this, or more so screws. Not entirely positive of the intention of the nuts and bolts, as there is no opening here for any kind of a mounting screw. There is a slot on the bottom, and that does fit in there. As opposed to a hole, it is slotted, so I can imagine that gives you a little bit of variance on how you might want to have it mounted. But again, since the sonars don't seem to be able to fit in the mount, then it's probably going to be a useless mount here anyway. And there is the ribbon cable that comes with it. That's a nice addition. It's not something quite so necessary. One thing to point out, though, is this is a female to a male side. Since you do have the output pins right here, you'd put the female on this side and be able to use that male side then for your breadboard. So it does not seem to mention right there on the link how many cables here are included, but let's go here and count. Okay, so there are 20 cables in here. So that would make sense if we've got 10 of these, so you'll have 2 per. I would imagine that would take care of your power. That being said, there are 4 connectors per sonar. Therefore, since there's only 20 of these, we'll definitely need some extra cables to be able to properly utilize this. Since you do need to apply power, as well as ground, and then a trigger cable, as well as a receiving cable to receive back to whatever microcontroller you're going to be utilizing. We're going to be using a Raspberry Pi for this project, so we'll see how that works. So again, like as I mentioned, there is the affiliate link below. I'd appreciate if you are interested in this particular product, and I will let you know if we do receive a replacement mount or whatever it may be for this. But again, this is single mount. This is not what I purchased this for. I just wanted the sensors. The mount was kind of an extra. It's just a little bit of a disappointment that it did not fit. So again, the affiliate link is below. If you are interested in this product, I would appreciate if you use that affiliate link. Hopefully you learn something. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.